Hello. Introducing the SAMSON Elastic Shoulder Immobilizer, a clinically designed support for controlled shoulder stabilization. Available in multiple sizes with the size chart displayed on screen. Measure circumference around the chest. Remove the immobilizer from the packaging and fully open all elastic straps to prepare for accurate and comfortable application. Wrap the arm support around the forearm, maintaining a natural elbow position while keeping the shoulder comfortably supported. Secure the chest and arm straps using Velcro, adjusting tension evenly to provide firm stabilization without restricting circulation. Place the shoulder cap over the injured shoulder, ensuring correct orientation and proper alignment with the anatomical shoulder contour. To remove the product, gently loosen all straps, support the arm, and carefully slide the immobilizer off without sudden shoulder movement. The SAMSON Elastic Shoulder Immobilizer is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.